so beautiful. Look here. The Royal Castle in Warsaw. How can they assign somebody who doesn't speak English? The ticket office is not here and we were given directions. So where are we going? Near the Pizza Hut? The ticket office is apparently not here. It's like a secret place. This old man directed us here. Of course, he doesn't speak English. And there's no sign anywhere. So we were directed to go back. So this is the secret entrance. How would we know? So this is where we're gonna buy the ticket. And it's secret. Billet? Billet? So it's not here. Everybody's confused. Everybody's confused. Everybody's confused where to buy the ticket. They also been going back and forth, going around where to find ticket. Same like us. Then they were able to buy ticket. Then I saw this like Korean Asian mother-daughter. They have tickets now, but God knows how many times they've been going around. We were given wrong direction by this girl in the casa, the cashier. We want to eat breakfast. They have English version. Yeah, it's hidden in the drawer, right? So I guess it's the same here. You like to go to the palace, but you seem not to find it. Everybody's confused, not just us. So hopefully this time we're gonna get it right. Finally we're here. Looks like it doesn't want to be found.
Thank you.
Can I see?
Three times. 3 rounds. Это можно танго.
They're shooting. Tell me, Don, how are you gonna know that this is the entrance if there are no signs? So that's not the entrance, it's a gift shop. See, I'll show you the entrance. Here's the entrance. Entrance. The doors don't represent the grandeur of the castle.
Yeah.
Please close the door. Yes, finally. Finally.